Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to work on the support mount. So this one I've never done before. I don't think I've ever gotten this far in the book before, but we're going to give it a try. So it says dimensions are in inches. I'm going to go to new. We're going to go to standard, create. I'm going to start a 2D sketch on, let's try the XY plane. And let's see, let me start off with not a circle. Let's start off with a rectangle 2-point center. So I'm gonna click in the center there. I'm gonna drag out, let's see, that's gonna be 9 plus, as a radius of 3, 9 total, no, that's 15. I'm doing some math in my head here, which is usually dangerous. So that's 15. I should have not hit enter yet. Let me dimension the side. This one is going to be 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's say 16 here. 16 for the height. Right. And then I can finish my sketch. Let me double click there on my wheel. Zoom out a little bit. I don't know why that thing is like way out here. And this one is right on it. Anyway. All right, so we did that. All right, I want to extrude. Let me extrude both directions. So we'll do symmetric. That's going to be 2 inches from my distance. Hit OK. Then, let's see. I'm going to fill up the 2 bottom corners, or the 2 bottom edges. So I'm going to fill it. That has a radius of 3. So I'm going to click this edge over here, click that edge, hit apply. Let me start my sketch on this front face. And let me project geometry. I project these 2 arcs over here to grab my center. Then what I can do is, let me draw 2 circles, the center point. So there's one, there's one. Let's dimension them. That has a diameter of 2.5. I'm gonna use my equal constraint. I'm gonna click this circle. The circle. So now their diameters are both the same. And let me finish my sketch. Let me extrude, cut both of those. So this one, they're going to go all the way through. Make sure they're on the cut. Hit OK. All right, so then we got that. All right, from here, I'm going to start my 2D sketch again. The same front face here. And I'm going to use I'm going to go to arc and then go to the center point option. I'm going to look for that the midpoint of this line here. So where I see that green dot, I'm going to click it, click that green dot. I'm going to click this edge. I'm going to drag this up and over to the side. Click that edge. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this backwards. I'm going to go to this back plane here. Okay, there. Then I want to create kind of that kind of slot looking thing. So I'm going to start my 2D sketch on the same front face. I'm going to project geometry so I can find the center dot. So I'm going to click this arc edge thingy right there. Then I'm going to use I'm going to go slot center to center. So I'm going to start my first center at this dot here. Kind of drag it down. So that's going to be 5. Hit the tab key. I'm going to, I should have picked that. So I'm going to click this where it's 5 inches below that dot there. So click here. I'm going to drag this out. This thing has a width of Let's see, that's 4. That's going to be 8. This is going to be 8 right here. 8, tab, press enter. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude, cut all the way through. So there's that. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right, so then what I want to do is I'm going to, again, I'm going to start my 2D sketch on the same front face plane here. I want to, let me project geometry again. I'm going to project this sideline, this bottom kind of half circle there. And I want to, I'm going to try to offset this out. That's going to be, what is that? That's going to be 2 inches. Then I'm going to draw a line at the top to kind of close these two off. So there's a line there. And draw a line from this green dot to this green dot. I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to extrude this horseshoe looking thing out. That's going to be 7. Distance of 7. Hit OK there. All right, so now what I want to do is, let me see. I want to start a sketch on the side. One of the side flat plane thingy here. I want to project geometry. I'm gonna look for that little line there. Not the bottom one, but this second one up here. So I'm gonna click that. I want to, I think I'm good there actually. I'm gonna draw a line from this end of this line all the way up to here where that green dot is. I'm just gonna create a triangle here. So draw it over here, draw it down, finish my sketch. And then what I wanna do is just extrude, cut that triangle all the way through like so. And that is gonna be our support mount. So, which looks kind of weird, but hey, I don't make the rules. All right, so I'm just gonna go here and do my usual shadows. We can add reflections or not. The lighting, photo booth. Now we kind of got some shadows going on there. For the coloring, I'm gonna go to smooth ivory. And yeah, hit the home here. Just make sure you save this as support mount. Support mount. Hit save there. So there we go. We got that one done. Yep, I kind of like it. We're getting fancy now. All right, so make sure you like and subscribe, add some comments, whatever you want. And I hope to see you back in the next video. All right, peace.